I'm Montana Gregg, and today we're going to talk about pool installation pipe. In-ground swimming pools are a staple in warm areas of the world, but are also found all over. They come in different shapes and different sizes and provide fun for the whole family. But what lies beneath the pool? What is responsible for bringing the water to the pool? The pipe found in the plumbing system of a pool plays a very important role. But what pipe should you use? In this video, we will cover 3 common pipes found in pool plumbing systems and determine which pipe will work best. Pool plumbing systems. Pool plumbing is the phrase to describe pipe fittings and valves that transfer water through the system. In a pool plumbing system, you will find pipes that carry the water out of the pool to be filtered, which are called suction pipes. And you will also find pipes that return the treated water to the pool. The valves in the pool systems control the direction at which the water flows to and from the pool and in and out from the equipment. Found in between the suction pipes and the return pipes are the pool pump filter and water heater. Common types of pipe. The most common type of pipe used in in-ground pool plumbing is rigid PVC pipe. But you could also see flexible PVC pipe or black poly pipe being used. Rigid PVC pipe. Rigid PVC pipe being used to plumb a pool should be a minimum Schedule 40, which is the standard for pool plumbing pipe. Pipe that is 2-inch in diameter can hold a pressure of 166 psi. Schedule 80 pipe can be used, but is not necessary and generally more expensive compared to Schedule 40, so it's not commonly found in pool plumbing. Schedule 80 pipe has the exact same diameter as Schedule 40. It's thicker so it can handle pressure up to 243 psi, but it does have a smaller internal diameter. Rigid PVC pipe is not long-lasting and does have a lot of disadvantages. Schedule 20 is too thin and must not be used for pools. Now let's talk about flexible PVC pipe. Flexible PVC pipe is used more and more in new swimming pool installations. It has the same outer diameter as the rigid Schedule 40 pipe. The connections are made by solvent welding using standard Schedule 40 slip fittings, the exact same as installing rigid PVC pipe. Some of the benefits of flexible PVC pipes are reduced labor, less cutting or measuring, and reduced installation costs. A downside of flexible PVC pipe is it tends to be more expensive compared to rigid pipe, and it can also be prone to crushing or puncturing. When working with new energy efficient swimming pools, 2-inch plumbing line is the way to go. The suction lines for the pool should be plumbed with 2-inch pipe to ensure longevity. PVC flexible pipe can be damaged by UV rays, causing the PVC pipe to weaken over time. Any pools that are in hot, extremely sunny areas should use durable outdoor tape to protect the pipe. Black poly pipe. Polyethylene pipe is flexible black pressure pipe that is commonly used for in-ground pool plumbing. Barbed insert fittings are used to join together the sections of the poly pipe. The connection is then secured using 2 stainless steel clamps over the outside of the pipe and insert fitting as opposed to glued PVC fittings. The connection is then secured using 2 stainless steel clamps outside of the pipe and insert fitting as opposed to glued PVC fittings. Black poly pipe is insect-proof. The PVC insert connection can withstand some freezing or ground movement without breaking and has a greater chemical and bacteria resistance. Black poly pipe can lose its flexibility in cold weather and could potentially be hard to work with. To sum this up, knowing your options for pipe when installing an in-ground swimming pool will guarantee you make the right choice that is best for your situation. Each type of pipe has its pros and cons, weighing each to determine which are important to you, which will allow a smooth installation process so you and your family can enjoy the pool without any worries. This video is based off a blog called Pool Installation: What Pipe Should You Use? To view the original blog, visit beauchartu.com.